Promise you you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog guys. Ngayon guys, mag-aabono ako ng saging guys, yung lakatan guys. Oh my god! Wow! Ang init talaga guys. Ang init talaga ng panahon guys.
Paano masabi? Tinatanong.
Ang hirap talaga, maging mahirap guys.
Pwede na!
Kasi yung trabaho mo ganito guys.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Nag-aabono ng lakatan guys. Hirap talaga guys. Itang panahon guys oh. Ito yung trabaho ko ngayon guys. Nag-aabono ng saging guys. Diba guys, malaki yung area guys. Walang mag-isa mag-aabono guys. What? What the? Thank you guys. Bye bye guys.
Magaling ang tsamba mo, malakas eh.